Fire is dangerous. It can start quickly and spread fast. It can hurt you. It can even be deadly. Knowing how to stay safe is important. Learn what to do if a fire starts. This knowledge can save your life. Always have a plan for escaping a fire. Practice your plan with everyone in your home. Knowing what to do can make all the difference. Remember, being prepared is key to surviving a fire. Stay alert and stay safe. A fire extinguisher can put out small fires, but you need to know how to use it correctly. First, remember pass. Pull the pin, aim the nozzle at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, sweep the extinguisher from side to side. Only use a fire extinguisher on small fires. If the fire is big, get out immediately. Your safety is more important than belongings. Fire extinguishers are tools. Like any tool, they need to be used properly. If you see a fire, get out fast. Don't try to take anything with you. Your life is more valuable than things. Once you're out, stay out. Never go back inside a burning building. It's too dangerous. When you are safe, call for help. Call 911 or your local emergency number. Tell them about the fire. Getting out alive is the goal. Make a plan, practice it, and follow it if a fire starts. If you discover a fire, yell loudly, shout fire, fire, fire to alert others. Never use elevators during a fire. Always use the stairs to escape. Elevators can malfunction or become dangerous. By yelling fire and using the stairs, you increase your chances of survival. Every second counts in a fire. Remember, your quick thinking and actions could save lives. Section 5, Smoke-Filled Maze, Navigating Your Way Out. Smoke from a fire is very dangerous. It can be hot and make it hard to breathe. If you encounter smoke, stay low to the ground. Crawl on your hands and knees. This will help you breathe easier. The air is cleaner closer to the floor. Before opening a door, check if it's hot. If the door is hot, find another way out. The fire could be on the other side. Smoke can disorient you and make escape difficult. Stay calm, stay low, and find a safe way out. Section 6. Trapped, find refuge and signal for help. If you get trapped in a room, close the door. Place a towel or clothing under the door to block smoke. Open a window if you can. This will give you fresh air. Wave a bright cloth outside the window to signal for help. If you have a phone, call 911. Tell them where you are. Stay on the line until help arrives. Being trapped is scary, but staying calm is crucial. Signal for help and wait for rescuers to arrive. Section 7. When clothes ignite, stop, drop, and roll. If your clothes catch on fire, don't panic. Remember, stop, drop, and roll. Stop where you are. Dropping to the ground. Roll over and over. This will help smother the flames. Cover your face with your hands to protect yourself. Once the fire is out, cool any burns with cold water. Knowing how to react quickly can minimize injury in a scary situation. Section 8. First aid for burns. Cooling the heat. Burns can be very painful. If you get burned, cool the burn immediately. Run cool water over the burn for several minutes. Gently cover the burn with a clean, dry bandage. Do not apply any ointments or creams. Seek medical attention right away. Burns require professional medical attention. Call for help, or go to the nearest hospital for treatment. Section 9. Prevention, the best protection. The best way to survive a fire is to prevent it in the first place. Be careful with fire. Never leave candles unattended. Make sure your smoke detectors are working. Test them regularly and change the batteries twice a year. Keep flammable materials away from heat sources. Be careful when cooking. Never leave cooking unattended. Prevention is the most effective way to ensure safety from fires. Be mindful of potential hazards.